Welcome to this Śrīmad-Bhagavad-Gītā chanting series workshop. So we covered until this shloka 6. So what happens is that if you look at the original Devanagari, the Visarga is not there because of the Sandhi rule. It is followed by this word starts with U. By the Sandhi rule, the Visarga has been lupta, has been hidden. But since we are taking a pause in our chanting at that word, we are bringing that in. So in our whole workshop series, I will be doing that, bringing that in. For example, if you look at this one here, Maheshwasa, this word, it also didn't have this Visarga after this. But when we chant it, we brought that in. But in the original writing, it has Maheshwasa. No Visarga because of the Sandhi, it got vanished. So just a quick note. So today we will move on since, beginning shloka 7. First I will read out the words and then I will chant in the meter. Asmakam tu vishishtaye. Asmakam tu vishishtaye. Tannibodha dvijottama. Tannibodha dvijottama. Nayaka mama sainyasya. Nayaka mama sainyasya. Sangyartham tan bravimite. So once again, asmakam tu vishishtaye tanni bodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya sangyartham tan bravimite. Long E, short E. So take a note here. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tanni bodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya sangyartham tan bravimite. Okay, and if I chant it in meter, it will sound like this. Asmakam tu vishishtaye Tannibodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya sangyartham tan bravimite. One more time. Asmakam tu vishishtaye Tannibodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya sangyartham tan bravimite. Now moving on to the next one. Bhavan bhishmascha karanascha. Bhavan bhishmascha karanascha kripascha samitinjayah. Kripascha samitinjayah. Bhavan bhishmascha karanascha kripascha samitinjayah. Ashwathama vikarnascha saumadattis tathaivacha. Saumadattis tathaivacha. So Bhavan bhishmascha karanascha kripascha samitinjayah. Ashwathama vikarnascha saumadattis tathaivacha. Now chanting it in the meter. Bhavan bhishmascha karanascha kripascha samitinjayah. One more time. Bhavan bhishmascha karanascha kripascha samitinjayah. Ashwathama vikarnascha saumadattis tathaivacha. So for the previous one and this one, I will read out the meanings of these shlokas. So number 7, अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान्निबोध द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमिते. So, but for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are specially qualified to lead my military force. So as you remember that the king of the evil side, the leader of the evil side, Duryodhan, he was explaining to his guru, Acharya Dronacharya, that look at their battalion, how many warriors, heroic warriors are there until this point. Now, starting this point, he starts explaining about his own battalion. Nice. I want to also say that A-T-E, the te, although it does not have any accent, but in Sanskrit vowels, it's one of the vowels. A is one of the 13 vowels. This vowel is also considered as a long. So for 2 reasons, it got elongated. One is because it's the last word of the verse, and it's also one of the longer vowels, although it does not have any accent mark on top. Okay, A, I, O, Ow. A, I, O, Ow. These are all long. Okay, now quickly the meaning of this. It says that, but for your information, remember the king of the evil side was explaining to his leader of the battalion army, Dronacharya, Acharya, teacher Drone, that look at their battalion. There are so many great warriors. Remember, he was showing him that look how great warriors are standing in the other side. But starting this shloka, this verse, he puts the pointer towards their own battalion. So he's saying that, but for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, he is addressing his guru, let me tell you about the captains who are specially qualified to lead my military force. Okay, now he says about his own side. So moving forward, he keeps on explaining. So let's move on. Nice. So, bha with an aspirated sound. Bhavan.
Bhavan.
Bhishmascha. Bhishmascha.
Bhishmascha.
Bhishmascha.
Bhishmascha.
Yeah, first S, the tongue will be rolled up like as in sharp. So Bhishmascha.
Bhishmascha.
Karnascha. N dot means tongue will get rolled. Karnascha.
Karnascha.
Excellent. Exactly that way. Yeah. Kri, tongue gets rolled for the R dot. Kri, kripascha.
Kripascha.
Samitinjayaha. Samitinjayaha.
Samitinjayaha.
Nice. Ashwathama, both long A, last 2 A's. Ashwathama.
Ashwathama.
Vikarnascha. You see N dot. Vikarnascha.
Vikarnascha.
Ashwathama Vikarnascha. Saumadattis.
Saumadattis.
Tathaivacha. Tathaivacha.
Tathaivacha.
Saumadattis tathaivacha.
Saumadattis tathaivacha.
Right. I want to mention this. Here, S, I have put a dash just to know where we are taking that little break. But actually, these 2 words that has been combined is actually Saumadattihi with an aspirated H dot, and the next word T, it becomes S. But just because it's within the word, we don't say the aspirated H. We just say whatever it is, S. Keep in mind, they are all together because it's a conjugated word. Saumadattis tathaivacha. Say that again. Saumadattis tathaivacha.
Saumadattis tathaivacha.
Okay. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karanascha Kripascha Samitinjayaha Ashwathama Vikaranascha Saumadattis tathaivacha. One more time. Bhavan Bhishmascha Karanascha Kripascha Samitinjayaha Ashwathama Vikaranascha Saumadattistathaivacha. The meaning is, he's explaining again, he's keeping on explaining who else are there in his own battalion. There are personalities like you, meaning the Dronacharya, who is the guru of all the weapons that have taught them growing up, right? He's saying there are personalities like you, Dronacharya, Bhishma, Karna, Kripacharya, Ashwathama, Vikarna, and the son of Somadatta called Bhurishrava. Bhurishrava's name is not here, but his name is Bhurishrava, who are always victorious in battle. Okay, who is always victorious in battle. Are you getting the feel of it, the rhythm of it, the meter?
Yes, yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's becoming more regular for me.
More regular and more familiar also, like the aspirated sound, the long vowels, short vowels. Wonderful. And I can see it in your pronunciation. And today I should appreciate you, especially for the N dot pronunciation. It was right on spot. So well done on that. Yeah.
Thank you.
And Tara, there are only 33 of them. So among them, few are very easy. So you already got covered, like K-A, Ka, Kha, Ga, those are easy. Only few are critical. The S3S, N dot and without N dot, like that. So when you get one or two, know that the set that is critical is only a few. So you are already ahead in mastering the pronunciation of these alphabets. So thank you so much. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.